Hi everyone, we've built Agentic, a conference lead management system designed for one brutal reality. At conferences, agents lose leads because of duplicate entries, no connectivity, and lost conversation context. So our focus was very simple: capture leads offline, prevent duplicates, sync the whole team, and make follow-ups instant. So what we'll do is we'll have two browsers, and with one browser we'll log in with Priya and with other we'll log in with Sneha Mehta. And now let's turn off the Wi-Fi and see how it works. So currently we have turned off the Wi-Fi and let's generate a new lead. As you can see here, it's showing us offline, and let's create a lead. So let's name it Sneh Patel and give a random mobile number with 10 digits and copy it. Let's go ahead with the tags, randomly fill it, and giving a note to have a personalized touch. Let's also give it a voice note. Sneh Patel was a really good person and he's interested in investing. Okay, so the recording is saved successfully. Let's save it. Now let's go to the other agent, and the other agent is Sneha Mehta. He'll enter the same entry with the same fields, Sneh Patel, and the same mobile number. Let's give some tags randomly and add a node. Yeah. Let's also record a voice. Sneh Patel was very intelligent and was, very much excited to be a part of the company. So we have saved it, and it is currently saved locally in the index DB. Let me show you. So currently it's saved locally, it's not synced up with the main database. As you can see, it's saved locally. And now what we'll do is we'll turn on the Wi-Fi and sync it with the main database. And we have also solved the timestamp thing. Like first we
So basically now the data will override the data that will override will be based on the timestamp. So as you can see that we made the entry using two different agents, and now we'll see the data of which agent overrides. I'll press sync now. As soon as we'll turn on the Wi-Fi, we'll get the sync now button, and as soon as I press the sync now button, I can see that Sneh Patel comes over here as well as over here, but the audio option comes over here only because, so as we can see that we could see two entries by two different agents, but only one entry named Sneh Patel came over here, and over here also only one entry because Sneha Mehta did entry first, and that's why her audio recording came. She said this, and her audio recording came, and not the one that Priya Sharma said. But the notes, both the agents' notes are synced over here. Priya Sharma's note and also Sneha Mehta's note, because we can get more details from different agents, and that's why we didn't just exclude the node from the other agent. Now the one more feature we have is that we can also add through a business card. So again I'll show you by turning off the Wi-Fi. As soon as I'll turn off the Wi-Fi, I'll just go and upload business card, and I'll choose a business card. As you can see, Capital Trust Bank. I'll open the business card, and I'll also record a voice note without the Wi-Fi. So yeah, this is the visiting card of Capital Bank. I saved the audio and I'll save the lead. Both the card and the lead are saved offline in the index DB. As soon as I'll turn on the Wi-Fi, wait a second, let the Wi-Fi turn on. So as soon as the Wi-Fi will get turned on, we can see that the OCR worked perfectly, and we can see the details of that specific card being logged in our database. Yeah, so the Wi-Fi is turned on, as soon as the Wi-Fi will get turned on, we'll get a option to sync now. So it will sync the IndexedDB data into the Django database, and yeah, so as soon as we sync it, we can see the new card lead, and over here we can see the number it had and by whom it was captured, and we can also see the audio that we captured. So yeah, this is the visiting card of Capital Bank. So this is how we can save data offline temporarily in IndexedDB and then proceed to pushing it into Django as soon as we get the Wi-Fi. Now we have these many leads, and on the dashboard we can also manage all the total leads and who the people we have met, the follow up and everything. So now I'll talk about one more feature, which is the follow-up feature. So let's suppose that Vikram Dwivedi is on the engaged stage right now, and I want to move it to the meeting stage. As soon as I'll press the meeting button, I'll get a schedule meeting option. I'll schedule the meeting as per the preferable time and date, and I will get an option to send it directly to the WhatsApp of that specific user. And like you can see that this is the person, and the whole custom message by the agent from our sales team and with the meeting details will be customized, and we can send the message to the user directly. So yeah, this was one of the use cases. And we also have an all leads page on which we can see all the data of what our agents have captured and which are the different leads. On the team status page we can see the summary of each agent, that how many leads the agent has got, how many meetings he has converted, and what is his conversion ratio, that is calculated by the closed amount of leads, that how many clients he has by the number of leads. And the last page is the analytics page, in which we display the company's data, in which we can see all the leads and which are the most prioritized leads and all the graphs and all those things. Over here we also have a lead log, and yeah, so basically the main three features were the displaying of the like eradicating deduplicancy, second offline whisper audio, and the third is offline card OCR. So thank you for viewing the whole project, and I hope you like it.